facility, codenamed Genesis, is about 20 clicks to your north.
Hey guys, welcome back to Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we have a brand new benchmark for the G.I. Joe, the Rise of Cobra for the PS3. That's right, today we're testing out the RPCS3 emulator on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. We're running with 16GB of DDR3 RAM in dual channel memory mode, and as you know, the whole point of the video is to simply show you the progress of the RPCS3 emulator. That's G.I. Joe, guys. We're playing it. It's happening. This is the first time I'm booting up the game, so it will be compiling shaders. That's the whole point. I wanted you guys to see if it can run right off the bat or not. I imagine it can. It doesn't look too heavy.
Just point and shoot until they're all chewed into scrap.
They don't look too heavy, so I wish you taught me how to aim. Not gonna tell me how to aim? Cool. I like not telling me how to aim or do anything. I'm cool with that.
Looks like they're trying to block the road, Duke.
Why am I taking cover?
That's how you do it.
Why am I taking cover?
Over cover and take the fight straight to... Nice form. I'll give you a 9.8 on the dismount.
Can the colorful commentary, Stalker. I'm trying to work over here.
I hear that. We've got a Joe to rescue. Heads up, there's movement ahead.
Listen, now, I don't think anything of this game, necessarily speaking. Probably not even that great, really, the whole twin-stick shooter thing. Anyway, it is running well, and I do believe this is playable. This is playable on the first try. Now, obviously, as I said, I play everything on default just to show you that it's running on a lower-end CPU, and it's still managing to get the job done. You can probably put this up to 4K, or just play the PC version, which I think it is on PC as well. I could be wrong on that. Don't quote me on that. But nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoy these videos. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more great content. If you like RPCS3, Xenia, or Yuzu, I'm the guy to subscribe to. I post a bunch of these videos on my channel. The whole point is I'm trying to basically do all of them on here on a low-end hardware just to see if it can run. What's this? Ooh, shiny. What is it? Don't care.
Performance-enhancing mind-controlling nanomites.
Careful. These Mars troopers have shields that deflect ranged attacks. Get up close and personal. Those shields won't do squat against good old-fashioned fisticuffs.
Okay. Shoot everything! Okay, at least you taught me how to do melee. Shoot everything! I feel like what they should do is have you shoot just to keep them at bay at least. Would have been good to game design to shoot at least just to keep them there. Because if you don't...
Be sure to coordinate your attacks. Targeting the same enemies is a great strategy for taking out tougher enemies.
Oh, I can actually do that now? Now you want to show me how to do that?
Move out, Joes.
But like I said, I have been slacking on the RPCS3 videos, so I decided maybe I'll do a few. Let's get a few up in here and see if we can, you know, get everything running, up and running. All right, can we move on with this? What are we doing? What are we doing here? What are we doing? Okay. Looking good, feeling rugged.
I just picked up a burst transmission of data indicating a prisoner transferred to a location just ahead of you.
That's gotta be heavy duty. Thanks, Breaker. Duke and I will secure the area.
We will.
Tunnel rat here. Infiltrator extraordinaire. Count on me to scurry into places nobody else can go.
Or would want to.
Check it out. A functioning Mars force field. I thought those were just prototypes.
I am shocked that this is using even 50% of my GPU though. That seems like a lot for this type of game. It is using quite a bit. Alright, I don't see nobody. Let's go. I'm gonna get those medals.
Let's see you use some of those signature moves that earned you a place on the G.I. Joe team.
Okay. A bomb. Neat. That's a good bomb. That's a good bomb.
Generators up ahead. Take them out, and I bet the shield will go down.
It's the Jews!
Would you call me? Nice.
Nice. One more generator to go.
But it is holding up well, so once again I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. I'm just gonna mute myself now, so just enjoy the rest of the game, then I'll see you guys next time.
Excellent. That tactic should work for just about anything with an external power source.
That woke them up. Incoming.
Now might be a good time for using those accelerator suits, Joes.
Over there! Put him down! It's the Jews! Stop them!
Yo, Joe!
Hey, Breaker, you and your tech heads have any more clues of where heavy duty is?
Dial tone is analyzing that transmission we intercepted. We should have something for us soon.
Just make it snappy. I don't want to have to double back to find him.
Those unmanned turrets can chew up your body armor fast. Make it a priority to take them down first when clearing an area.
And try to dodge their bullets instead of catching them.
It's one big door. Keep your eyes out for a giant doorbell.
No doorbell necessary. Mars gating technology is usually controlled by computer access panels. Look around. There should be one nearby that you can use.